And I want to assure the public, especially the international community, that it is a very isolated case. I just had a talk with our regional director police, General Wangki, at first time na po nangyari ito to a tourist. Just to reiterate, talagang very isolated ito. And right now, the police are now on top of things. Wala ho silang tulog at talagang ginagawa po nila para ma-solve it as soon as. Again, safe po ang Pilipinas. No? Lalo na ang Boracay. Ngayon lang po nangyari ito in so many years.
Okay. Pero initial, sir, anong lumalabas? Kasi parang she could have been sexually molested.
Well, yun po ang nasa newspaper, no? I just cannot give you much details right now. All that I can tell you is the police are on top of this. I've been a DILG secretary before. Sometimes, maski gusto ko na sabihin yung nalalaman ko, I cannot because it might affect the investigation. But one thing I can assure you, from day one of it, ang investigation nito, very thorough, hindi natutulog ang kapulisahan nito, at mukhang maganda naman ang patutunguhan.
Yung remains, sir, naibalik na ba sa bansa nila?
Hindi ko pa ho natatanong, but I'm sure, no, right now, malamang nandito pa kuya.
Meron na ba sir epekto ito sa tourism arrival so far?
Well, it's too early to tell, ma'am. Kaya nga, I would like to reiterate that as far as the police records are concerned, this is a very isolated case. I think it's even the first time that it has happened to a tourist. It's the first time. And I would like to put that on record. Kasi, alam mo, tourism is, one of our strengths of our country. Ayoko namang din, we condone, first of all, we condone with the family. No? We really condone with the family. We are one with the family here and we're going to do our best talaga para po hanapin ito. No? Yan po ang pinapaabot ng ating kapulisyahan, si General Wangki. No? At inuulit ko, as far as the records of the case of the police records are concerned, it's the first time that it has happened to a tourist in Boracay. It is very, very much isolated.
So foreign tourists are very, very much safe coming to...
Yes, very much safe. Alam mo, napakaganda ng bansa natin, hindi na napakababait ng Pilipino. Masayahin tayo at if there's one thing na pwede natin pagmalaki ay ang ating hospitality. No? Yun lang nga, it's quite unfortunate na nangyari ito. No? But again, the police are trying their best to solve this the soonest.
Okay. Next question.